What's going on, guys? Boss Brian here. This is going to be a different part of the install of all the pieces that come with the white body kit. But I wanted to make a separate video for the people that just want to watch this. This is going to be how to take off the OEM badges on your car. It's actually really easy, so let's get right into it. Let's do this. So as you can see, my spoiler is off. It looks super naked in the back, but I'm going to take off the RS logo because the spoiler that I'm gonna put comes all the way down to the middle of where the RS is, so it would be in the way, so I have to take it off. So let's do that. So all you're gonna need to do this is a heat gun, which is right here, and then some dental floss, which I have a little thing of dental floss. We just have to heat up the area, put the dental floss behind the emblem, and just kind of work your way down. We're just gonna heat up the area a little bit with the heat gun and kind of get the whatever it is behind it, double-sided tape or whatever it is, heat it up so that way it kind of becomes more moldable and loose, and then we can just put the whatever, you can use fishing line as well, or this, and then just pull it off. And it's actually coming off like butter. Like look at this. So I'm just using the line, pulling it towards me, and it's off. Now you just pull it off, and you're done. Now you just need to take this off. So right now that it's kind of warm and moldable, you can pretty much just rub it off with your hand. So here's the logo. Came off, I mean, literally took me like 20 seconds to do that. So it's really easy, just with some little line and a heat gun. You can do it without the heat gun, but it's a lot harder. With the heat gun, it just comes off like butter. So with this, you can use glue off as well to take this off. I'm just gonna see if I can just kind of rub it off, because I don't have any glue off. So. You can use an eraser wheel as well. I also don't have that. So like I said, I'm just going to rub it off. And it should come off. This is the hard part. You know, taking it off is the easy part. But cleaning up the residue is the hard part. So there we go. The top thick layer is off. Now we just have this really thin layer of residue. So I'm just going to heat it up and then rub it off. So as you can see right there, it's off. There is a scratch right here, but that was just it's been there since I got the car. As you can see, it runs through the RS logo. You guys can see that. There's like a huge scratch that runs through, and it runs through. So I don't know if someone keyed this car, but it was already there when I got this car. But as you can see, it's off. It looks clean. So now I just need to put the spoiler on, so we're good to go. That worked. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.